In this video, I'm going to show you how to send voice messages on iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll all the way down until you find messages. And here make sure that iMessage option is enabled. If this option disabled, just hit on this switcher to enable that option. And now you can open up your messages, hit on some conversation, and there, in order to send a voice message, all you have to do is hit on that sign. And now there all you have to do is tap or hold to record audio message and release your finger to send that message. See what happened. I tap and now sound is being recorded, and when I release the finger, the sound was just sent to the recipient. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.